week we are going to discuss a new topic on simultaneous equations. So in this topic, simultaneous equations using the substitution method. So there are two methods which we are going to discuss this week. We are going to discuss the substitution method as well as the elimination method. Now, I'm going to start with the substitution method. How do we use the substitution method in solving a simultaneous equation? Before I work out the one example or two, let me explain what is a simultaneous equation is. These are two equations whereby you will be solving at the same time. You solve them at the same time. That's why they say simultaneously. Simultaneous, it means they are being solved at the same time. For an example here, 3x plus y is equals to 9, 5x minus y is equals to 7. These are the two simultaneous equations. We want to solve them simultaneously at the same time. So how do we solve them at the same time? We can use the method of elimination. We can use the method of substitution. But now in this lesson number 1, let's discuss about the substitution method. Now, if you are given an example like this, example 3x plus y is equals to 9, 5x minus y is equals to 7. Now, what do? The first thing is to do is to give them names. If I say names, we are going to use 1 and 2. So it means the first one is given as equation 1. You put it, draw a line, then you put 1 in brackets. Then the second one is equation 2. So this one is called equation 2 and this one is equation 1. Now, because we want to substitute, so in this case you want to substitute, so you are going to decide, do you want to substitute in 1 or in 2? Right, you now say from equation 1, here is not a rule that you are going to use equation 1. You can use equation 2. But in my example, I've used the equation 1. Equation 1, you write the equation 1 in front of, as I have done here, 3x plus y is equals to 9. So this is equation 1. So from this equation 1, which letter do you want to make the subject of the formula? You choose either x or y to make y the subject of the formula. So in this case, I made y the subject. So it means I'm going to take 3x to the other side. So it means y is equals to 9 minus 3x. This is now called equation 3. Right. Now, after finding or making y the subject of the formula, then they named it equation 3. The next step now is substitute equation 3 in equation 2. Right, then you write the equation 2 in front. Here, if you, let me go back again. From equation 1, let's say here you use equation 1, it means in the substitution you are going to substitute in equation 2. If you use equation 2, it means here in the substitution you are going to use equation 1. I think it's clear there. Now, because I used equation 1 to make equation 3, so I'm going to substitute equation 3 in equation 2. If I use equation 2 to make equation 3, I'm going to substitute equation 3 in equation 1. So here I used equation 1 to make equation 3. So I'm now substituting equation 3 in equation 2. Now equation 2 is here. Now you can see from equation 3, y is equal to 9 minus 3x. So it means in equation 2, where there is y, remove y and put the value of y, which is 9 minus 3x. Right. Right. Now you can see I've removed y and put the value now. This is the value. Now remove the brackets. 5x minus 9 plus 3x is equals to 7. You can see I introduced the brackets. That is the advantage of introducing brackets, especially if there is a negative outside. Once you remove the brackets, it means this negative is going to affect or change all the operations inside. As you can see, it's now minus 9. Here it's positive 3. Now, after that, now can you group like terms? 5x plus 3x is equal to 7 plus 9. So 8x is equals to 16. X is equals to 2. Right, now you have found the one value, because in the simultaneous equation you are asked to find two values. Either you find the value of x, or you find the value of y. So now we have managed to find the first value, which is the value of x. Now we want to find the value of y. Now, since you have obtained x is equals to 2 now, right, the last step now, substitute the value of x in either equation 1 or equation 2. Now we want to find the value of y. You choose from the previous equations, or these ones, these two. Choose one of it. It's up to you. If you want to use equation 1, it's up to you. If you want to use equation 2, it's up to you. You decide and choose from these two. Which one are you going to use to substitute? So here I managed to choose 3x plus y. Then you substitute the value of x here. Now substitute it. Where there is x, I put 2. Then plus y is equals to 9. So 6 plus y is equals to 9. So grouping like terms, y is equals to 9 minus 6. So y is equals to 3. So you conclude by saying now x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So that's how we use the method of substitution. That's how we use the method of substitution. Let's look at example 2. In example 2 now, example 2, we are given x plus y is equals to 6, x minus y is equals to 2. These are the two equations. Now let's step number 1. Let's give them names. X plus y is equals to 6, equation 1. X plus y is equals to 2, equation 2. So from these two equations now, which we have given names, decide which equation do you want to use. It's up to you to decide. Now here I'm saying I am using it from equation 1. Write down the equation 1 in front. X plus y is equals to 6. Right, from equation 1 again, which we have chosen, which letter do you want to make the subject of the formula? You want to make y. So now can you take x to the other side? So y is equals to 6 minus x. So this becomes your equation 3 now. Since here you have used equation 1, you can see equation 2 was just staying, was not used. So you are now going to substitute equation 3 in equation 2. As I have written in short here, substitute 3 in 2, which means equation 3, this is the equation 3. In equation 2, this is equation 2. Right, so equation 2 is saying x minus y is equals to 2. Now let's substitute. We take 6 minus x and we put where there is y, introduce bracketing system, x minus 6, then plus x is equals to 2. Group like terms, x plus x is equals to 2 plus this one, 2x minus 2x is equals to 8. Therefore, x is equals to 4. So, what it means now, x is equals to 4. Now, substitute the value of x in either 1 or 2. Now, substitute the value x is equals to 4 plus y is equals to 6. Y is equals to 6 minus 4. Grouping like terms, y is equals to 2. Then you now conclude by saying x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 2. So this is how we use the method of this is how we use the method of substitution. So what I want you to do is, I want you to try the following exercise using the method of substitution. Just follow the steps. Question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 questions. First, give them names. Equation 1, then equation 2. Then step number 2, decide which equation do you want to use. If we say I want to use equation 2, it means what you are going to get from equation 2, you are going to substitute in equation 1. then you find the value. After finding one value, you just select from the two equations again. Which equation do you want to use to get the next value? Simple, done. So can you try the following exercise? If there are some questions, please, let's just communicate. Thank you very much.